Assalamualaikum, I'm Wawa, and in this video I'm going to show you how I baked Queen Elizabeth's favorite chocolate birthday cake. It is super easy. All you need is 6 egg yolks and 2 whole eggs and also 4 ounces of sugar to begin with. You whip it up good, fluffy, double up in size as you can see in the video, and then you add 2 ounces of cocoa powder, sifted cocoa powder, and also 1 ounce of cocoa powder and 2 ounces of flour. Wait, I can't remember. Can you please refer to the caption at this video for the recipe? And then to add to that, you add 1 ounce of melted butter and you whip it up good like this. Yes, whip it up slowly and only for a few seconds, and then you bake inside a preheated oven, 175 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. So as you can see here, while the cake is still hot, we're going to make the ganache. So all you need is cream and a good quality chocolate. But because I don't have cream, because my cream has been finished recently when I wanted to do that homemade ice cream video, what I'm going to do now is use the ice cream again. I'm using 2 ounces of the ice cream and 2 ounces of chocolate, melt it on a very slow fire until it is all melted. As you can see, no, you can't see it now, but you can see it after this. The result of melting the whipped and frozen cream with chocolate is that the ganache will be more airy, more light, and less liquidy. Okay, now you can see it. Okay, can you see it? It's rather less liquidy and more airy, isn't it? So what I want to do now is pour it onto the chocolate cake. Okay, pour it slowly. Enjoy the moment. Let it drip and let us salivate over this video. This is so good, guys. I had this yesterday and I almost finished this cake all on my own. So that's it. Queen Elizabeth chocolate birthday cake. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. And then what else? Comment if you have anything good or bad to say. And then share. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to spread the words. Don't forget to bake this easy and delicious, sinfully chocolatey chocolate birthday cake. It's a queen's cake, so you have to know that it is that good. That's all from me.